Hello, this video will show you how to install the printers for NBCC. So click Internet Explorer. Then in the upper right hand corner find an icon that looks like a gear and go to Internet Options. Click the Security tab, then Local Intranet, and then Sites, then Advanced. And here you're going to type in nbcc-srv-v-ps01.cc.loc and click Add. You're also going to enter 10.159.7.4 and click Add. Click Close and click OK. OK. Now in the address bar type studentprinters.nbcc.ca and you'll type in your user account, which will be cc / and then your student number and then your password that you were provided. And be sure to check this box that says remember my credentials so that you won't have to retype this as many times, although you will have to do it every time you install a new printer. So choose your campus and you'll see two scroll bars, so scroll down the right one all the way and then adjust the inner one until you see the room that you want to print in and click on the appropriate link. Then click Connect. Then click Yes. Now you'll have to enter your username again, so cc / and then your student number and then your password which was provided to you. Click OK. And then it should say that the printer has been installed. You can click All Printers, choose your campus again, adjust the scroll bars, and install additional printers if you need to.